Volleyball, new godly ability. New codes. Divine strength. Look at Divine Strength update 28. Every single new working code that you can actually redeem inside of Volleyball Legends. Open up your shop, scroll to the codes. Yes, we have a bunch of codes to redeem, okay? We have a bunch of codes to redeem. Redeem every single one of them. It's for real? Update 28. So what changed? We got Divine Strength. Is that a brand new ability? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got a bunch of free lucky spins. The first one is 1 billion visits. 1 billion visits. Free lucky spins. Free cash. 5 lucky spins. Easy. Update 28. Update 28. Update 28. The next code is going to be an EU ability. Ronaldo. New ability Ronaldo. Divine Strength. If you redeem every single one of these codes, you'll be awarded a bunch of free spins. Next up, update underscore 30. Guys, do not miss out on any future codes. Subscribe and like. We have all the new and future codes on showcase. Next code is going to be 1 million. 1 million. Redeem code 1 million. Code 1 million. If you don't have any Robux on your Roblox account, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you have no Robux. Match making underscore PLS underscore work. Matchmaking, please work. Redeem every single one of these codes. Like and subscribe for future codes.